Hey guys, Nairo here. Welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. This is Scratch tutorial number 10. Yes, we're already at 10. Scratch tutorial number 1 was a whole year ago, and we've been trying to pop out daily uploads, but you know me, I lose all my recordings, and this is attempt number 3 of recording this video, and a total of, I think, 10 lost recordings. So, if you do me a favor, hit the like button down below if you do enjoy today's shorter video, because I did all of the thing on camera, and then, yeah, I got my recording lost, so the code is already there. I'm just going to be going over it. So, very simply, just hit the like button if you do enjoy my videos. Subscribe. We're 89 subscribers as of today's video, when I'm making it. And remember, once we get to 100 subscribers, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I already have all the stuff ready for the giveaway. I'm just waiting for you guys to make it to 100. Come on, we can do this, guys. I'm aiming for 1,000, but that ain't happening anytime soon. So, you can always hope for that. So for now, I'm just going to be whacking away at this ice cream truck. Give me a moment.
Lake Titicaca, oh Lake Titicaca, it's between Bolivia and Peru. Lake Titicaca, oh Lake Titicaca, with waters tranquil and blue. Oh Lake Titicaca, yes Lake Titicaca, why do we sing of its fame? Lake Titicaca, oh Lake Titicaca, 'cause we really like saying its name. Titicaca!
So, I'm not at the required medal, but I felt like that was getting a little bit boring for me. So, I'm just going to cut right to the chase of this brand new sprite right here, which is the shop. So, yes, today we are going to be making the shop, and this is what happens. You can pull this out, and then you can try to buy it. Of course, I can't buy it because I don't have enough metal. But this is how we're going to do it. So, first of all, we're going to want to make a variable called shop open. So that will make sure that everything's running smoothly. This is the reset script that I always have in my projects. So when your green flag clicked, set shop open to N. So that means keep it closed, right? And then hide it, and then bring it to this all the way off the screen, and then stop, because we don't want to screw that up. Then over here, we're going to have the forever script, where it's going to have if key S pressed, then if the shop is not open, then it will open, and otherwise it will close it. So I know that kind of sounds a little bit weird, but basically, because I don't want to put another script that has a forever, I'm just conserving space at this point. Because with my destroy the 100,000 ice cream truck 4, or destroy 4, or also destroy chapter 2 part 1, that will be releasing on Friday. Link will be in the description for the website demo on my official website. But I've run into a lot of problems with Scratch not running correctly because there's not enough space, and it's like messing up all these sprites. So it's always great to have as little scripts as possible, especially if they're forever scripts. Or then, oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to fix something. Otherwise, things could go pretty badly for you when you're making your game. So, if key S press, then, and not just making it whatever, if shop open equals no. So if the shop is not open, it will open it. But if it already is open, it will close it. So it's, saving space there. And then the cooldown, so it doesn't, you can't just hold down S, just go crazy. You have to actually physically press it, which is still messes this up, but whatever. Over here, we're gonna do the animations for it. So it's very simple: gliding outwards, gliding inwards, resetting the variables, and that's that. So then we just have this. You can make it however you want it. I just made it look like this. There's no buy, if you want to note that, because that is also very important. So currently we have $150, and we need to. Well, we don't have $150. We only have 104 metal. So we're gonna need some more metal. Cue the time lapse with with the amazing background music, and let's get into this.
Lake Titicaca, oh Lake Titicaca, it's between Bolivia and Peru. Lake Titicaca, oh Lake Titicaca, with waters tranquil and blue.
So as you can see now, we're at exactly 150 metal. Yeah, trying to move some stuff out of the way. I have a very thick blanket on top of my chair that I usually record on, and I just moved it. So yeah, that's probably why randomly in the time lapse I just stopped pickaxing. So yeah. So for now, let's get this. So now we can buy it. So you have to make the buy its own sprite. So you can specifically press the button. You can also make a button, which coming up, I made a Scratch tutorial on how to make buttons, like inside of Hatch, which I can upload to Scratch. But as you guys know, I don't really function on Scratch usually. It's just I use it for tutorials. So it's a lot easier to explain. I use a specific version of Scratch that is limited to a certain amount of people. Well, not a certain amount of people. It's limited to specific people. Yeah, I feel like this is getting too much of a what platform I use. Anyway, I will make a buttons tutorial sometime, but this is all we have for now. So we're going to want to reset at the beginning. So set flawless bot equals no, then hide, and then go to this specific position. Then forever go to the front layer, so it's never behind the thing by accident. If shop is open, then show, otherwise hide. And if flawless is not bought, then you can switch it to the buy option or the bought option. So as you can see, there's two specific options right here. There's bought and there's buy. Very simple. And then if the mouse pointer and if you're touching the mouse, if this sprite is touching the mouse pointer and the mouse is down, which means if you're clicking on it, then if flawless bought equals no, that means it's not bought yet. Then it will see how much metal you have, making sure you have enough metal, and then changing your metal by the amount that negative 150, how much it costs, and then setting the flawless bought to Y. And then over here on the pickaxe, I have to add, just for the finishing touch, we're going to want wait until flawless bought equals yes, and then set pickaxe level to 2. So then when I buy this over here, it's going to set our pickaxe to flawless, and now we have the beautiful pickaxe that we designed the other day, or I designed the other day. Now you can do this wonderful 5 damage per hit, 5 metal per hit. So that's basically all I had for today. If you did enjoy today's video, leave a like. Everyone save your projects, as always, and don't lose your recording again. Remember, we're going to be doing a giveaway, and I'm going to be leaving the Destroy game in the description. I will be doing a walkthrough through my game, and then some secrets and tips and tricks alongside how I coded it and the general way I code. Like, there's a lot of code. I don't think I can go over it in one video, but I could go over the general idea, what I had, and should give you guys some ideas for new games. I used a lot of things we went over, such as the controlled movements. I'm sitting over here. I used the thumbnails, which I use a thumbnail that runs off of the when red this always happens to me, red stop button clicked for the thumbnail because it's more effective, and a ton of other scripts and ideas that all came into one. And Destroy 5 will be coming out not exactly shortly. It takes a long time to code, but soon. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, again for the second time today in this video, damn, I'm really bad at speech. Hit the like button. Once again, sellout time is over. Get to 100 subs. We get an awesome gift card for somebody. And see you in the next video. Peace.
With waters tranquil and blue. Oh, Lake Titicaca, yes, Lake Titicaca. do we sing of its fame? Lake Titicaca, oh Lake Titicaca, 'cause we really